Welcome to our calculus class. The topic is find the limits involving factorization and rationalization. Okay. Our problem for today is evaluate the limit by expanding the denominator. In this problem, limit of -3 divided by -3 plus 3, t plus 3 to the second power minus 9 when t approach to 0. All right, let me remember some ideas here, very important before to solve this problem. We have to remember evaluating a limit of this type of limit of fx divided by gx when x approaches to a. All right, you cannot use the limit law here for division of limit gx if limit gx is equal to 0 when x approach to 0. All right, so if limit is f of x equals 0 when x approach to 8, and a limit of gx equals 0 when x approach to 8. So this is you are able to try to write fx divided by gx. All right, by first canceling the expression here, the expression, and then applying the value limit. Okay, so after this, let's try to find the answer on our problem first. So first step here, see if the limit law for division here can be used to evaluate the limit. Okay, it's the first step. Now find the limit here. Find the limit of the denominator. First, find the limit. Find the limit of denominator. All right, this is the first step. So here we have to write limit of let's see here. You have here negative t plus 3 to the second power here minus 9. All this equals to will be equals negative 0 plus 3 to the second power minus 9. All right, so here see the limit of the denominator is 0 here. The limit law for division cannot be used in this problem. Now find the limit of the denominator. So now here, now find the limit of the denominator. Here is the denominator, and now it's the denominator. All right, so here you write limit minus t 3. So 3 negative 3 divided by here no, it's the denominator here should be equals here negative 3 times 0 when t approach to 0. All right, this is equals 0, right? So two very important things here. All right, so since the limit numerator and denominator, the numerator and denominator are both 0, both are 0, try to find the expression to cancel. Try to find the expression to cancel. So I will erase everything here. So now start. Now start by expanding the denominator. All right. Remember the information that we got it before in the first step. Okay, first step here. So now remember it will be limit of negative 3t when t approaches to 0. This is divided by negative t plus 3 to the second power minus 9. All right, first step. Now here should be equals limit here, limit of negative 3t divided by t to the second power. So development that this binomial minus 60 plus 9 minus 9. Right, just development this binomial here. So now next step will be equals limit of negative 3t divided by in the bottom you will have t to the second power minus 60. All right, when t approaches to 0, of course. Next step here it will be equals limit of negative 3t divided by t times t minus 6 when t approaches to 0, of course. So all these should be equals here a limit negative t. Actually here cancel t here, negative 3 divided by t minus 6 when t approaches to 0. So in this step is cancelled. Here is cancelled, remember, by expanding this here is cancel t. Yeah, cancel t in that step. Now you can use the cancel as t approach 0 when t is never equal to 0. So the t. So let me write here this observation here. You can here cancel t because as t approach to 0, t never equal to 0. Equal to 0. The 0 right here. So here t divided by t is equals 1. Right there. Okay, very important. So now try to evaluate the limit. So now evaluate the limit. If you evaluate it here, evaluate limit. So we'll have here, so limit negative 3 divided by t minus 6 when t approach to 0. So this is equals, remember right here, negative 3, and here is 0, remember here, 0 minus 6. So negative 3 divided by negative 6, this is equals, negative divided by negative is positive, so it's equals 1 divided by 2. So 1/2. This is the evaluation of this limit. This is our answer. Here. So that's it. The way to find the limits involving factorization and rationalization.